Hello and welcome to the series of videos where we will be showing you the various features in our latest curtain wall tool for OpenBuildings Designer Connect Edition. So, let us begin. Now we are going to see how to use parametric cells for creating curtain walls. This can be used for creating louvered walls, for example. This is a parametric cell of louvers that we would use as a panel in our custom curtain wall. First, I need to go to the catalog type called curtain wall panel in the data group catalog editor. I would now create a new item in there. Let's name it my louver. I select the panel type as a parametric cell and I select the profile from the cell library where I have my cell stored. Now I would be creating a curtain wall system with our very own curtain wall panel. So I create a new item in here. I name it my curtain wall system. I have to provide correct values for all the parameters that are required to render the curtain wall successfully in the design. First, I select the curtain wall type. Then I provide the horizontal and the vertical spacing for this curtain wall system. For panel type, I select the panel that we created in the previous step. I need to provide a correct value for the panel thickness and offset. Then I select the horizontal profile for the frame. I am selecting 50 by 150 center mullions so that I have my mullion centered when I place the wall. Then I provide the width and depth of the profile. I do the same for the vertical profile of the frame. I select the appropriate requirements for the jamb and set the jamb width and depth. Then I assign the head and the cell as same as that of the jamb. I would also like to select a corner profile here and provide the width and depth for it. I select the same profile as the other framing elements. Now I must provide the appropriate part and family for this curtain wall. I can now save the changes and then reload the catalog. I can now go to the curtain wall tool and place the wall. Here you can see that I have placed the curtain wall with the louvers that we have selected as panels. I can use a similar sort of workflow for creating custom framings as well. Why don't you try out a custom framing and write down in the comments what you find? Make sure you also watch the other videos in this series to know more about curtain walls in OpenBuildings Designer.